I'm going to start by parting my hair right at the middle, just like you guys can see, and then after that I'll take my Bamsi wax. So you can use any braiding gel of your choice or wax for that matter. Okay, so I'm going to apply my Bamsi wax where we have splitted our hair, and then after that I'll just go in again with my rattle comb, and I'm going to use it to clean my path just to make sure that they are, you know, nice and clean and precise. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. Okay guys, so we're going to be having 4 feed-in braids, you know, 2 on each side. So for the first feed-in braids, I'm going to feed in 8 pieces of extension, and for this, you know, for this style I'm using Brazilian wool as my extensions. Okay, but you can, you know, you can just choose to use braiding hair. It really doesn't, you know, matter. I'm just molding my hair into place, and I'm using the same gel, you know, the Bamsi wax. It's a wax actually, so that is what I'm using to, you know, mold my hair before I start doing my cornrows. So guys, to save your edges, you want to start by cornrowing just your natural hair before you start, you know, feeding in braids, and that is what I'm doing. I'm going to cornrow my natural hair about 4 to 5 steps, and then I'm going to start feeding in the pieces of extension just like I've mentioned. I'm going to be using Brazilian wool as our extension, okay, but you can just choose to use the normal, you know, braiding hair. Okay, you're just going to get the same you know, results by the time you are done. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to feed in 8 pieces of hair. I'm hoping that you are taking notes. Okay, you also want to arrange your pieces of extension from the smallest to the biggest, and that will make your work very easy when it'll come to now feeding in the pieces of hair onto your natural hair.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
So guys, before I forget to mention, I didn't get to, you know, straighten my hair, and that is why I'm using more gel just to make sure that my hair is like a slick down and that you don't have so many flyaways going on. So if your hair is straightened, you'll use less gel as opposed to when your hair is not straightened. But for me, I don't have a problem with that because I tend to do my hair quite often, so I normally don't get to straighten my hair, and I can work when my hair is like a knot blown out, and for me it works well for me, and I don't have a problem with that. Okay guys, I've mentioned how affordable this hair is, so you only got to use 1.5 bundle of Brazilian wool. Okay, and you know, this hair is quite affordable because it's retailing between 100 to 150 Kenya shillings depending on the beauty store. It took me about 1 hour 30 minutes to do everything, so this hairstyle is, you know, very versatile. Again, it's super affordable. As I've mentioned, I only got to use 1.5 bundles of Brazilian wool. It is also a protective hairstyle. Anything that, you know, protect your hair from damage, from, you know, breakage, then it should be your go-to hairstyle. And I'm so happy, and I cannot wait for you to see how this hair turned out. So just continue watching. And again, if you're new here, I do create hair tutorials. Be sure to stick around for these and many more amazing hair videos.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free.
Okay guys, just to remind you, if you have watched this video till this point and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching hair tutorials, okay, I do create different hairstyles. Okay, if you are someone that will want to know how to do your own hair at the comfort of your home, then be sure to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing is free of charge. Okay, so subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your friends and to your family. And I'm hoping that you'll find this video, this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. So we're almost coming to the end of today's video, and just like I've mentioned earlier, the first feeding braids I did, fade in 8 pieces of extension, and for the second cornrow I did feed in 9 pieces of extension. Please take note of that. And this was it for today's video, so I'm going to let this video play. Okay, so I'm hoping that you're going to find it helpful, so just continue watching till the very end and see how this hairstyle turn out. And please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So this was it for today's video guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
Heart's desire.